Breakups can be emotionally devastating, leaving us feeling shattered and lost. However, they also present an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Rebuilding life after a breakup is a process that requires resilience, self-reflection, and a proactive approach. By focusing on healing, self-care, personal development, and building a support system, individuals can transform their lives and create a brighter future. Welcome to MindSpire. If you enjoy this type of content, then subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on any of our latest and greatest uploads. Embracing the healing process. After a breakup, it is essential to allow oneself to grieve and to process the emotions that arise. It is normal to experience sadness, anger, and confusion, but suppressing these feelings can hinder the healing process. Embracing the healing process involves acknowledging the pain, seeking support from friends and family, and considering professional help if needed. Taking time to heal and nurturing oneself emotionally and physically is crucial in moving forward. Rediscovering identity and self-worth. A breakup can cause individuals to question their self-worth and lose sight of their identity. However, it also presents an opportunity for self-discovery and personal growth. Taking the time to reconnect with oneself, exploring interests and pursuing hobbies can help regain a sense of identity. Engaging in activities that bring joy and fulfillment can rebuild self-esteem and restore confidence. It's important to remember that self-worth should not be defined by a failed relationship, but by individual qualities and strengths. Reflecting on lessons learned. Breakups offer valuable lessons that can shape future relationships. Taking time for self-reflection and introspection allows individuals to understand the patterns, behaviors, and communication styles that contributed to the breakup. Identifying areas for personal growth and making positive changes can lead to healthier relationships in the future. By learning from past experiences, individuals can avoid repeating the same mistakes and build stronger connections with others. Pursuing personal development. Rebuilding life after a breakup involves focusing on personal development and growth. This can be achieved through various means, such as acquiring new skills, pursuing educational opportunities, or engaging in therapy or counseling. Setting goals and working toward them provides a sense of direction and purpose. Developing a strong sense of self, independent of romantic relationships, cultivates resilience and empowers individuals to create a fulfilling and meaningful life. Building a support system. During challenging times, having a strong support system can be immensely beneficial. Friends, family, and support groups can provide emotional support, encouragement, and a sense of belonging. Sharing experiences and seeking advice from those who have been through similar situations can offer valuable insights and reassurance. Surrounding oneself with positive influences and individuals who uplift and inspire can aid in the healing process and create a nurturing environment for personal growth. While a breakup can be painful, it also presents an opportunity for personal transformation. Rebuilding life after a breakup involves embracing the healing process, rediscovering one's identity and self-worth, reflecting on lessons learned, pursuing personal development, and building a support system. By actively engaging in these processes, individuals can rebuild their lives and create a future filled with personal fulfillment, growth, and happiness. Remember, every ending is a new beginning, and the journey of rebuilding can lead to a stronger, wiser, and more resilient self. The concept of breakups and their emotional impact on individuals. Breakups, the termination of romantic relationships, are a universal phenomenon that affect countless individuals. They can be characterized by intense emotional upheaval as individuals navigate through the loss, grief, and profound change that comes with the end of a significant connection. The stages of grief in breakups. When a romantic relationship ends, individuals often experience a range of emotions that closely mirror the stages of grief outlined by psychiatrist Elizabeth Kubler-Ross. These stages include denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. Initially, there may be a period of denial or disbelief, where the individuals struggle to accept the reality of the breakup. This is often followed by feelings of anger toward the ex-partner or oneself for the relationship's demise. Bargaining may then occur as individuals seek ways to reconcile or regain what was lost. Depression can set in, accompanied by profound sadness, loneliness, and a sense of emptiness. Finally, acceptance emerges as individuals come to terms with the breakup and begin to move forward with their lives. Psychological effects of breakups. Breakups can have profound psychological effects on individuals. The loss of a romantic partner can lead to feelings of rejection and a blow to one's self-esteem. This can trigger a range of emotional responses, including anxiety, depression, or even symptoms of post-traumatic stress disorder or PTSD. The sudden absence of a significant other may disrupt one's daily routines, social connections, and future plans, leading to a sense of disorientation and confusion. Individuals may also experience a loss of identity as they grapple with the shift in their relationship status and the accompanying redefinition of their self-concept. Coping strategies for breakups. While the emotional impact of breakups can be challenging, individuals can employ various coping strategies to navigate the healing process and emerge stronger on the other side. First and foremost, it is crucial to allow oneself to grieve and to process the emotions associated with the breakup. Suppressing or avoiding these emotions can prolong the healing process. Seeking support from friends, family, or professional counselors can provide a valuable outlet for expressing feelings and receiving guidance. Engaging in self-care activities, such as exercise, meditation, or pursuing hobbies, can help individuals regain a sense of control and self-worth. Additionally, setting realistic expectations and focusing on personal growth can be instrumental in rebuilding one's life post-breakup. The role of time in healing. Time is an essential component of healing after a breakup. While it is tempting to seek immediate relief from pain, healing is a gradual process that cannot be rushed. It is crucial to recognize that everyone heals at their own pace, and there is no predetermined timeline for recovery. Over time, the intensity of emotions subsides, and individuals begin to regain their emotional equilibrium. As time passes, they can reflect on the relationship with a clearer perspective, understanding the lessons learned and the personal growth gained from the experience. The potential for growth and resilience. Although breakups are undoubtedly painful, they also offer individuals the opportunity for growth and resilience. Going through a breakup can foster self-reflection and self-discovery, prompting individuals to reassess their values, priorities, and relationship patterns. It can serve as a catalyst for personal growth, enabling individuals to cultivate a stronger sense of self, establish healthier boundaries, and develop a deeper understanding of their emotional needs. Through introspection and self-improvement, individuals can emerge from a breakup with newfound strength and resilience, ready to embark on new relationships with a greater sense of self-awareness. In conclusion, breakups represent a significant life transition that can have a profound emotional impact on individuals. Understanding the stages of grief, the psychological effects, and the coping strategies associated with breakups can empower individuals to navigate the healing process more effectively. While breakups are undoubtedly challenging, they also offer opportunities for personal growth and resilience. By embracing the journey of self-discovery and allowing time for healing, individuals can emerge from breakups with renewed strength and the ability to create a more fulfilling and healthy future. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about the stages of resilience. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for content just like it.